Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit about the end result, where I wanted you to go after the tutorial. You can see I put a little rubber duck in there, and I have my robot moving, and I'll hit play just so you can see. I put the duck sort of in the path of the robot. If you hit rewind, you can, a few times you can kind of see where the robot's going, and there you go. It hit the duck, and it's kind of pushing them along. So that's where I wanted you to go. And the few things that you may be aware of when it asks you to add something to the scene, that add button is this guy. What else do you... Anyway, the console, let's see, let's go back to our tutorial. Let's see. To put the rubber duck in, I'd like you to do that at the end. So do the whole tutorial and do that. Duck at the end. You can find the duck under objects, and I'm not sure if it's the exact same, if it's factory or might be toys. I think objects, toys, and then you'll find the rubber duck. When you get in the rubber duck, you're going to have to change a few things. The scale, I changed it to half, I think, and the mass I changed from 400 to 100 or something like that, so that the robot could push it. Something else, let's see, when you do get down to create a new controller, there's a few things. Pay attention to this. You're going to have to go to, make sure you go to Wizard's new robot controller. You can copy and paste that name. E, puck go forward, and make sure you save it. This whole text here, you can basically copy the whole text here and then paste it in. I did it bits and pieces, but you can copy and paste the whole thing just to see how it goes. When it does finally build, it asks you to build at the end. Build. There's under the main menu, there's build, and then you hit build. It will download something else for the program to work. And yeah, so anyway, it has an adjustment here, and then finally, when you're through with this, I'd like you to maybe revert back to the original controller. So instead of where you see epoch, and they ask you to change the controller and to put in go forward, I put back in epoch avoid obstacles. Okay, and this will give you some practice as to moving from one controller to the other. Yeah, I guess that's it for tips. All right, thanks.